we're showcasing our DIY tiered tray decor subscription box. We're showcasing November and December. We offer 2 different DIY boxes. We get the standard, but the deluxe kit has all the extras. So if you love to decorate for the holidays and you love to DIY, then the deluxe box extras are this beautiful Christmas tree, this enamel mug, the bead kit, and a candle. And as you can see, the December is this beautiful cranberry wreath, and as well you get a different scented candle and your bead kit, which you can paint any colors that you like. Included in the DIY box is all the paint colors, your brushes, and all the supplies that you need. And these farmhouse risers, you can add on as well as a one-time purchase to display your items as well. So if you're interested in learning more, click on the link below at homeworksetc.ca.